Good morning. It's a beautiful day here in Antibes, and my sister and my dad are here, and we went to the market and we're going to try soca, which is a meat class specialty. It's made out of chickpea, olive oil and water. It's my sister's first time trying it, so come down here and get a little reaction.
Very good.
All right, dad still likes it from last year. Lexi?
It's very good. Love the sea salt.
So we finished our soca. Before we go to the beach, we're gonna just check out this church. It's like the old church of Antibes. It's very beautiful and very cool if you're here in the summer and looking for a place to just kind of breathe out of the heat. While you're visiting Antibes, you should also check out the port. It's the biggest port in like this part of the south of France, so you get a lot of like the really big like mega yachts that will dock here. If you're into boats, even if you're not really, it's just cool to walk around and see like how gigantic some of these are. So another fun and free thing to do while you're in Antibes. I'm so happy right now. I've got my rosé and I've got a book, and I'm going to hang out at the beach for a little bit until the sun's completely gone, and then next up is gelato. Like, I don't understand how people don't like dessert. Like, this is my favorite thing in the world. So now we're kind of by the Picasso Museum. It doesn't look like much from this angle, but I promise you it's beautiful. The steps of the Picasso Museum kind of like right there. A really good place to sit with gelato or like an espresso in the morning. If you want espresso, go to Nomads. It's the best. I don't know if it comes across on camera, but it is so good. That's the museum. Oh, like, it's heaven. Like, this is my favorite place in the world.
Baby, I'm
dark. You probably can't see me, but I'm assuming you can hear me. I just finished dinner. I had a really nice like burrata salad and a little bit of champagne. Now I am up on the wall of the rampart here in Antibes, and at the end where there's like this giant like nomad statue, during the summer they turn it into like a bit of like a cocktail club, like dance club. So I'm gonna go hang out there, maybe make some new friends, and shaping up to be a good night. Super fun, but unfortunately they closed like 11:30, so it was short-lived. It was like one shot, one drink, and closed.